Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you a method that I have used to get a super sus mod running on your iPhone, your Android, whatever it may be. Guys, super sus mods, they're out. The super sus hacks, they're out. People are using them. And so when I saw that people are using them, I was like, okay, I got to figure out where these things are. I got to figure out how I can get that mod menu on my phone. And I actually went searching. Oddly enough, TikTok was where the answer lied, with a video that I found that taught me how to do it, and now I'm going to kind of expand it, show you guys how to do it, put it on my platform. So super sus, guys, the super sus mod, as you can see right here, it's a full other app, and I'm going to teach you how you can get the app, how it works, all of that kind of stuff. There's so many mods, so many functions, so many features that you guys can mess around with, that I'm excited to go ahead, jump into this, teach you everything you need to know. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stop my babbling, start my explaining in. Let's jump right into this tutorial, guys.
Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, I have the Super Sus mod downloaded and running on my iPhone 11 right now. Now, my iPhone 11 is great. I have no problems with my iPhone 11. It has treated me well. But if you guys aren't running an iPhone 11, like for instance, you're on a newer or older iPhone, maybe you're on an iPad or Android, this does work on those devices as well. Any device that is able of carrying mobile applications will be able to download this Super Sus mod. So if you have apps on your device, then you can get this app on your device. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you what this is all about. Open it up here. So I mean, it's just regular Super Sus, but here's the mod menu that I kind of already opened up. There's unlimited money, gold, skins. You can kind of go ahead, unlimited emergency. You can show that player info. There is so many mods that you can mess around with, and this is only version 1.6. They are adding more all the time. When I downloaded it, it was only these three. These last two were added pretty recently, so I imagine they will continue to add more. But you guys are probably like, wait a second, when I go on the App Store, I can't download Super Sus mod. Why? How do I get this? Now, it's actually pretty easy to get. Back in the day, you needed a jailbreak, you needed to plug it into your computer and download 48 mysterious files, but now you just need these two apps, guys. I'm talking about Safari and Settings. Safari and Settings. If you don't have Safari, that is a-okay. You can use any other internet browser, but I would recommend that for us iOS and Apple users, please do use Safari just because it will allow you to follow along with my instructions closely, and that's important. So let's go ahead, open up our settings here, because we do need to mess around with a couple settings before we actually go through with the download. The first one here is this low power mode. Low power mode, low battery mode, battery reserve mode, whatever you may want to call it, guys, it does need to be turned off for the duration of this download. The reason why it needs to be turned off is pretty simple. That background activity like downloads, guys, those actually get restricted and turned off, turned down, below, whatever it may need to be for this download. So if you have your low power mode on, most of the time the download won't work, so make sure you turn it off. After that, guys, hop into General or wherever it may be located and find the background app refresh section of your phone. Now, the background app refresh is turned on my phone and is almost certainly turned on your phone as well. It is turned on most devices, but if for whatever reason you have your background app refresh turned off, for the remainder of this download, guys, please do turn it on, as it allows the app to refresh and it allows it to find housing. If you don't have this on, it doesn't work. Plain and simple. That's it, guys. We are now ready to go to the website, the magical website, appbuild.vip, app. This is where it is. This is where the app is, appbuild.vip. Type that in, hit go, guys, and you're going to be brought here to the #1 tweaked app store. And that is not an exception. There is so many mods on here. I mean, look at the amount of stuff here. But obviously, guys, we are looking for Super Sus mods. So we're going to go ahead, find it in the S's here. I imagine it's probably going to be on the lower. There it is. Hit that install button, guys. This is where I got it to run. So yeah, please do use the App Build store. I know there are a couple of other places who claim to have it, but this is the only one that I know works. So go ahead, go to that one, and hit that install button. That's going to install or download, rather, something called a configuration profile. That's essentially Apple's fancy schmancy word for it's a hacked app. And so just like an app that you download from the App Store, this is an app that we download off of the App Store on the internet. And you know how you have to type in your password when you download an app on the App Store? It's the same with this one, except you have to do it in the settings instead of like natively on the App Store. So we're just going to go ahead, hit that allow button that will pop up after it is done downloading, and then that profile has been downloaded and it wants us to go to our settings app. I was just talking about that, as you guys remember, so we're going to do that. Hop on out of that background app refresh if you're still in it, and find the VPN and device management. or device management section of your phone. Under downloaded profiles, you will see the Super Sus mod. Go ahead and hit that install button in the top right corner, and then it's going to prompt you for a passcode. It means your regular unlock iPhone password. Hit next, and then install 2 times. After that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go through the motions of this again just to show you. Next, install 2 times. And guys, then hit done, because you are done. And Super Sus mod is downloaded and ready to go. Enjoy.